You're constantly bathed in the Big Bang's ancient light. This cosmic echo is everywhere, but its secrets reveal our universe's strange past. It's called the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, a faint glow from 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Before the CMB, the universe was too hot and dense for light to travel, like a super-hot fog. As it expanded and cooled, atoms formed and light finally escaped, creating this ancient snapshot we detect. These tiny temperature differences in the CMB are like cosmic fingerprints, showing how galaxies first formed.